Hey guys, I'm Khalid from Cade and this is another tutorial in AutoCAD. Today I'm going to go to the basics. I'm just going to talk about one of the primitive shapes and how you can improve and how you can work on it in AutoCAD. And this is the circle. So if you want to draw a circle, the best part is either to go there, circle, pressing it over there, clicking over there, or you can just type C for circle. C for circle. So when you press C for circle, you have a few different options. You either have you can either draw from the center point and choose your diameter or your radius, so you can go to 3 points, 2 points, or tan radius. So we're going to go over all four. Yeah, it always happens. So if you want to draw a circle, and let's say your radius is 3 feet, you select where you want to put it and you click, and it's going to ask you down here that what is the radius or the diameter. So I want my radius to be 5 feet, so I'll type in 5 feet and that is it. If I wanted to go with the diameter, and hopefully your math skills are good, so what would the diameter be? So I'll press a point there, and as you see, diameter, they would want you to put it inside that, so I'll type diameter 10 foot, close it, oops, I'll press diameter 10 feet, and it's the same. So by radius of 5 feet or diameter of 10 feet, you use your central point. That's how you draw a circle. If I wanted to draw another circle, and I wanted to have 3 points of the circle, I wanted to use 3 points of the circle to anchor and draw the circumference of the circle, I'll put 3p. So when I put 3p, it will ask for the first point, and let's say I want my first point to be the center of this, and it's asking for the second point, and I'd want it over there, for example. So using those 2 points as an anchor, I can now create my third point of the circle. You see, so I could go like that, and that is how to do a 3 point. If I wanted to do a 2 point, so I'd press circle 2p for 2 point. I'll click on 1 point, and I can choose where my second point would be, and let's say I wanted to put it over here, that would be my 2 points. So circle through radius, circle through diameter, circle through 3 points, circle through 2 points. The last one is tan radius, which is pretty interesting. So if I wanted to do that, I would press circle, and it's asking for a tan. So if you remember, a tan is along a point of a line or in a circle. So as it says, tan radius, I would select 2 tans and then I'll specify the radius. So let's say I wanted to go with this side. Let's say I wanted to work here. Oh, I have to first put TTR, tan radius. So it's asking me for the first tan. So let's say I want this to be the first tan over here. I've clicked there. It's asking for the second tan. So let's say I want the second tan to be over here. Now you have to make sure that the radius is going to touch both points. If your radius is going to be 1 foot, it's not going to be possible, because 1 foot radius is like that, so it's not touching any points. So if I wanted to go again, see TTR for tan radius, I select the first tan, I select the second tan, and let's say I had the most ridiculous radius of 60 feet. See, the 2 points still touch on the other two circles, then I have a ridiculous circle. If I wanted to go tan radius, I click there, I click there, and I have a radius of 15 feet. See, still works. So those are the 4 different ways you can draw a circle. You can use the circular point and specify a radius, or you can go by specifying the diameter. You can specify by using 3 points, which would be 2 points selected and the third point you pick, or you can go by the 2 points, which is you select 1 point and you decipher where you want to put the second point, or you go tan radius, which will choose 2 tans and specify the radius. So those are the principles, those are the basic principles of using circles in AutoCAD. If you want to get better, just use this technique when you're drawing things in your plans, and it would actually work out for you and you become a master in it. Till then, that is it for today. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for coming. My name is Kule from Cade, and I talk about anything and everything to do with architecture and interior design. Check out my page, because I just don't show CAD tutorials, I also give information of the lifestyle of an architect, and I'm gonna start to go deeper into the fundamentals of architecture and interior design. But anyways, I'm gonna quit rambling, and that is it for today. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.